self-care journal. It's divided into two sections. You have to fill out the morning section and you also have to fill out the evening section. So in the morning, you have to mention 3 things you're grateful for, and you also have to write about your expectations for the day, or what's something you can do to make someone else's feel better. And I always try my best to fill out the morning sessions, but the evening sessions I barely filled it out. Hopefully we level things up and try to finish up both the morning and evening sessions, because it's very important. But anyways guys, now we're gonna just quickly freshen up since we have a little bit on our plate today. We have classes and we also have this quote-unquote trip that the school has organized for us. Yeah, so I have like some few minutes to get ready, so let's just get ready and start up the day with this morning class. Okay guys, so we are headed for class right now. I have one class this morning by 10:20, and if we do not rush there, we might just be late, but at least I still have some 5-6 minutes, so I can just be walking and talking to you guys. I really love this morning class because the teacher is so interesting. I'm gonna try my best and give you guys a snippet of her lectures. She always eats up our time, but then nobody even realizes that the time is gone because of how interesting she is. So yeah, I have 2 classes today, but I might just attend one because we were informed that the school has organized this trip this afternoon. So it's just going to be one class and then the trip, and basically that's going to be all for today. But I'm definitely taking you guys along, so hopefully everything goes well though, because up to now we still do not know exactly where we're going. I think they're going to send the information in the group later this afternoon so that we have more details on where and exactly what we're going to be doing. But that's basically it, so let's go to class guys.
I need you today to read it and understand completely and try to find all the theory and also these other that economists name who developed the theory. So you just gave me a logic of this chart today on the paper.
Many minutes later.
Yes guys, so we just got done with class, and I don't know, I want to say fortunately or unfortunately we had a surprise midterm exam, but the good thing is it was an open book. So now it's lunchtime, and since we have a lot to do today, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab something from the canteen. I usually do not eat from the canteen. I will just go home and make myself something, but again, like I said, we have a lot to do today and the time we are working with is very, very limited. So I'm just gonna grab lunch at the canteen and then we go and grab the bus, because we are supposed to actually be at the bus station by 12:30. It is already 12:07 right now, so let's quickly rush to the canteen. Yeah, I'll see you guys once we get to the canteen and grab something to eat. Chibala, chibala, chibala. That means I'm full. Yeah, lunch was great. I actually didn't expect it to be that good, but it was. And it was very cheap. Because the full plate you guys saw, I paid about 12 kwai, which I think is a good price for that full plate. Yeah, so right now I'm on my way to meet up with the other guys so that we can get on the bus. We are actually going to visit the rural area, and we are going to do some activities there, like for example planting apples or picking apples from the tree, and just to have that experience, how life is in the rural area. That's the experience they want us to have, so we are going to enjoy that today. I'm like 1 minute late, so I'll just rush quickly to the bus, and once we get on the bus, then I'm going to talk to you guys or show you guys around. And yeah, basically, so let's hurry up. Hurry up and don't be late.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo.
We just got here, guys. Oh my gosh, let me show you guys what it looks like. It's so cool. We have to keep our heads down because the place is so short. Oh my gosh.
Bro, look at me. Bro, are you mousing?
See that? Privilege of being on the farm. It's so good. We have to keep low because the grapes are all over. How cute! Delicious.
你看着镜头来的。好多的葡萄，空气中都是甜甜的味道。我们现在就想尝一尝它。啊呀！来准备啊！3、2，别说3、2、1。
你们看这。
It's okay. It's okay.
查证。
It's okay. It's okay. 加油！
加油！来，3、2、1，开始。
有一场我们来到葡萄园，这全部都是葡萄，空气中就是有一点甜甜的味道。我们现在就是要尝一下它。
So how do you feel about being on the farm right now?
It's so fascinating.
Okay.
It's the first time being in the farm. Every time we just buy grapes from the market, but now I'm seeing them from the tree. Now
I'm telling you, that's
from the
amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now let's move on to the other lady. How do you feel being on the farm?
I'm so excited because today I'm eating the real natural grape.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. Jules, how do you feel being on the farm?
Well, it feels good. It feels good, to be honest. It feels like home again.
Wow, that's
It feels like the countryside in our home. So yeah, and some really natural food in here.
That's good. That's good. Thank you. Thank you.
We're going back now, guys.
We finished.
而且性格特别好，谢谢，很漂亮。我上大学的时候也接触了很多外国的。
I want to start another one.
先不要带着，啊，那就先不要带着。
我们要拍合影。
那就先一人拎一场。
Ta-da! Yeah, so we are done now, guys. They gifted us with this whole bunch of grapes. Yeah, so we're going back to the car right now. I don't know what are we going to pick, the apples or it's just grapes? Probably I didn't get that well, but yeah.
Later.
Home sweet home. Everyone else can hold that one. Oh.
录好名字，先录好名字，在这录好名字，有什么名字？
We're done here, guys.
That's exactly what happened with your
Yes, guys, so we have finally arrived at the final location. We are going to pick tomatoes. I'm sorry, tomatoes. Yeah, we're going to pick tomatoes. So let's go, guys. Ooh, no. Yeah, this is more like it.
How are you feeling?
Yeah. Thank you.
The one you pick is yours?
Yeah. The one you pick is yours. I think
Why don't they give us the gun?
Ooh, my bowl is almost full. Yes, guys, so these are our tomatoes. I got the yellow, the red, and the green ones. It was such a great experience and I loved it. Yeah, so now we're going back to school and yeah, basically that's all for today's vlog. So thank you so much for coming along with me and I'll definitely see you guys in the next vlog. Until next time, remember to stay safe and keep spreading love. Bye.